Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best glow-in-the-dark balloon set available on the market. The 100 pieces UV Neon Balloons by GYIPFIPA. If you're planning a party that needs that extra wow factor, these balloons are designed to light up your celebration in a vibrant and visually stunning way. These balloons come in a variety of neon colors including yellow, orange, green, purple, blue, and pink. What makes them truly special is their ability to glow brilliantly under UV black lights, creating an unforgettable atmosphere for any event. Whether it's a birthday party, wedding, Halloween celebration, or even a graduation, these balloons can transform your space into a glowing party paradise. Each pack includes 100 latex balloons, giving you plenty of options to decorate large spaces or create intricate balloon designs. When fully inflated, these balloons reach about 12 inches in size, making them versatile enough for balloon arches, clusters, or standalone decorations. The neon colors are bright under normal lighting, but when the UV black light is switched on, they fluoresce intensely, providing that eye-catching glow. Made from latex, these balloons are lightweight yet designed to hold up for the duration of your event. Their neon pigmentation is embedded to react specifically to black light, making them a perfect companion for any glow party setup. Just remember, the glowing effect relies on having a UV light source. Without it, the balloons show their vibrant neon hues but don't emit the same glow. Setting up your party with these balloons is simple. You can mix and match colors to fit your theme, whether you want a bold, multicolor display or a coordinated look. The balloons are standard latex quality but packed with that special fluorescent pigment to make your decorations pop. Overall, if you're looking to elevate your party decorations with a glowing, neon twist, these UV neon balloons from GYIPFIPA are an excellent choice. They're affordable, come in a large quantity, and promise to deliver that signature glow when paired with a black light. For anyone who loves hosting vibrant and memorable events, these balloons are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest and thorough product insights. See you next time.